Hello guys, welcome to my this video. My name is Anuth and today in this JavaScript tutorial I will discuss about all the method related to string. So here you can see I have added one string and number, object and the array. So all those things we learned in the last those videos. So here I will discuss about all those method related to string. So here I have noted down all those method name and the definition of those methods. So here there is the 15 method you can see, and the method name, those are the method name and those are the definition of this method. So now I will go to code and I will start to discuss all those method one by one. So first I will discuss about the character add method. So here I will go to the index.html file and here you can see I have added one string because those method related to string. So I already have added one string. You can see the string name is hello creative developer. So creative developer is my channel name. I have added the random string value. So now how it works, this is the syntax of this method. First is the string value, then the method name character add, then the index. What is index? Index means it's a position of string. Okay, I will explain, don't worry about it. So string, here you can see this is the string. I want to work with this string value. So this string value I store inside this variable str variable name. So here I have written str because the string means now this str for my case. Okay, so str, then the method name. So I have written the same, and then index. Index, it takes a number, right? Index is a number, just remember it. So here I have written 4. So what will be the output if I store inside this variable character and then if I console it? So what will be the output? So index is the position and it's a number. So position 4 position, right? So if I start from here, because it is the starting point, this h of this sentence, sentence, this is the starting point. Okay, so if I count from here, so h is 0, index start from 0. Okay, just remember this one, it will be helpful in your future. So it is 0 1 2 3 4, right? So o is the 4. So if I write the code like this way, so output will be o only. Okay, if I write here any other number 8, so here count 0 1 2 3 4 and after that space. So space will be another count, that will be 5 6 7 8. So output will be e. So let's see, I will get the output e or not, because I have written 8. And now we'll open the browser and we'll see we are getting output as expected or not. So here this is the browser and see I'm getting the output is e. Now we'll change the number and understand. Okay, so any random number I will add here. So if I write here 100, so if you count those sentence are not up to 100, right? So what will be the output? So here see output is blank because here, so after some numbers there is nothing, so that's why it is returning the blank space. If I add here 5, so what will be the output? If I add here 5 and if I check, see again space, because here if you count, so h is 0 1 2 3 4 5, so 5 is the space, so it is showing blank space. Now if I add 6, so 6 it's a C, so it will return C. You can see. So this way character add method works.